Meaning of Epping Forest.
Epping Forest.
Epping Forest.
Epping Forest.
Epping Forest. Epping Forest refers to an ancient woodland area located in the northeast of Greater London, England. The forest covers approximately 2,400 hectares and is a popular destination for leisure activities such as walking, cycling and horse riding. The forest has a rich history, dating back to the 12th century when it was declared a royal forest by Queen Eleanor of Aquitaine. Today, Epping Forest is managed by the City of London Corporation and is considered a site of special scientific interest due to its diverse range of habitats and wildlife.